What I wish I knew as a kid instead of now: silverback gorillas are more than just muscle. They're the heart of their troops. Gorillas are super social animals that live in groups called troops. At the heart of each troop is a dominant male known as a silverback. But what does a silverback actually do? First off, silverbacks are the protectors. They guard their troop from predators and other dangers, making sure everyone stays safe. But it's not all about fighting. Silverbacks also keep the peace. They use their impressive strength and size to resolve conflicts within the troop, but usually without aggression. Instead, they rely on displays of strength and vocal communication. Silverbacks are also family guys. They lead by example, teaching younger gorillas how to find food and stay healthy. So next time you see a silverback, remember, they're the ultimate guardians and peacemakers of the jungle. Like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.